this is Tom from Horizon Hobby and Spektrum RC here to give you another tutorial on setting up your iX12. So one thing that you're going to want to do when you get your iX12 beyond creating an account, which we just did in another video, if you haven't done that, do that now and then come back here. But we're going to update our iX12's Airware software. So we're going to go down to the screen here. So when we turn on our radio, of course, we're going to go to the Airware app. That's where it's going to start us up. But we're going to swipe from the right to the left, hit the circle for home, and then click the app drawer button. We're going to go to the Google Play Store. Now if you go here and it asks you to log in, like I said, reference the creating the account video so that you can either log in or create a Google Play account. We're going to search iX12. iX12. And you'll see it'll kind of bring it up here. We'll tap on that. And we can tap Update right there. Or you can peruse some of the other information about the app, but we're going to update the app. It'll start downloading it, and then it'll install it. So we'll wait for that. The app that comes with the iX12 out of the box works well, but there is always going to be updates for it, so you want to keep it up to date. When you update it this way, you're going to get notifications automatically on your iX12 saying, hey, there's an update available, do you wish to download? So if you're connected to Wi-Fi, it will give you those options. So keep an eye out for those. There will be updates quite frequently. And they'll add features, fix any kind of bugs that we run into, and that's what updates are for. Okay, it's installing now. Alright, so now that it's installed, we can simply tap Open here, and it'll start up the Airware app. As soon as it starts up, it'll start installing the CP update. So the CP is the channel processor. That's essentially what controls your airplane or model, and it'll start updating that. So this is the opening screen. Alright, well, this time it didn't have to download a CP update, but normally it would say if there's a CP update there would be another loading bar at the bottom that will tell us that it's installing. We can kind of check that it's up to date by going to product information, and we're on firmware version 2052, app version. These versions may not be what you see, but that it just shows that we are up to date. Another little tip that I like to throw out there is that when you get your iX12 and it's up to date, every time you update the Airware app, you will have to put the Airware icon onto your home page. So to do that, you press and hold on the icon and slide it to where you want it to be. Just a quick thing that I like to tell people, because when you update, it's going to delete that little app, little icon shortcut, so you'll have to put it back where you want it. So that's it. Thanks for that. And if you need more information, go to horizonhobby.com. Thank you.